welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, 𝓒𝓂, and today guys I'm heading to the beach. Babes, you look like you're gonna do a crime. Guys, look at that view. What's somebody out there? You can't see it. So guys, I didn't comb my hair, so I put a finger over it because I was lazy. I was cooking, by the way, so I didn't attend. And I could have wet my hair, so why would I comb it anyway? So guys, see you when I reach at the beach.
A few moments later.
So guys, I'm at a beach. So yes, I'm going to get into the water. You see guys how my hair is. Watch all the gel from yesterday. Yeah, like that look like a mess. So now I'm sitting in the water. Let me try and lie down. I'll not do that. But I'm having fun. Look at that, guys. Wow.
Oh, you're going too far.
And the mom hate me. Go. Lay down on the bed, do the cry, baby. She ain't gave me none of pussy in a while. She had the boy waiting, I don't mind waiting. Oh, you ain't gonna respond to my text? Oh, yeah. Want me keep on my diamonds and sex? What's your name? Keisha, Key, Jazz, Kiera, Megan, go, Lisa, Ashley, Sierra, Sarah.
A few moments later.
So guys, something scraped my knee. You can see that. That hurts. So guys, I'm just chilling. I'm thinking of cutting my hair. I don't know. I think I should cut it. What do you guys think? Cut it? Don't cut it? Comment down below. Period. So guys, I'm having fun. I'm enjoying myself. My toes hurt because the other day they told me not to go on a bicycle, and then I went in the bicycle and I burst my toes. So hashtag no toenail. Guys, on two of them I don't have no toenails. They're gone. Period. They're gone. They're lost and they need to be found. If any of you guys find my toenails on the way, please bring them back to me. Damn! Water right there. Period. I should cut my hair.
If you want to.
You sure?
Depends on what you want to, yeah.
Like just cut it short.
Bounce up.
Short.
Up to what length, boy?
That length. Too short? Too short?
Very cool.
That's not. Oh, yeah. When it will like have a lot of growth, I'll cut it more. Let's see go.
Maybe see a fish.
Yeah. The fella's fish is chasing.
Maybe flowers for the
Wow! I want a flower, babe. You gonna take it from me? You gonna take the flower from me? Please? In the water.
Don't talk cool.
Flower! You gonna take the flower from me? Let me see it.
I cut my feet already.
You cut your toe. Let me see.
I cut it.
Okay. Thank you. Babes. Thank you. I got a flower. Another flower. Hey, what happened to the flower? It died. Oh, but I still love it. Perfect.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're heading home. Babes, where your bag? Put it on your side. Put it on your side. You see, he have his bag. What's where my bag? What's my bag? Better lighting. Period. Guys, a tree of birds. Look at that. But watch how green the water. Watch the moss on top of the water. Like that is disgusting, guys. But back to the birds. Back to the birds. But the water is disgusting. We're going home. We're going home.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're waterfront right now. My baby's vexed because I taking too long to reach home. Watch the sunset, guys. Magnific. Watch how it's glistening on the water. And look how the clouds looking like that, by that. Like, wow, masterpiece. Babes, let's go. I need to do something with my hair. So guys, I'll be doing a giveaway very soon. Soon as in like, well, the stuff for the giveaway, I'll be getting it on Friday. I'll be getting them on Friday. So my giveaway, I'll do a video about what my giveaway will be about. So just stay tuned, guys. Period. So guys, I will see you guys when I reach home. So yeah, let's tell them when we reach home. Yes, when we reach home. Hey, wait, I want a video by that thing there. What happened to you? What are you smiling for? Why you have that smile on your face like that? That's a cheeky smile. That's a cheeky smile, babes. Going all over there. I jump in the way. Ready? Record it. It's just statues of the females bullying.
Cheap, 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 cheap.
What?
This is nice tree.
I'm in love with the sunset. It's the view for me. You still recording this? look at the moon. It's a full moon. Almost home, guys. Almost home. Almost home. Biz, wait for me. Wait for me.
I'm reach home already.
I know you want to reach home already.
Tired.
Me too.
A few moments later.
Guys, we're home. I'm tired. I'm exhausted. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in my next video. Period. See you guys.